nice full meal for 6. Tonight's tea is chicken, Spanish chicken with rice. So the chicken was £3 something. These are 60p each from Aldi. They're £1.30. I've already got onions in, and salad, a bit of peppers. Fry them up with that. Don't cost a lot. So, these quick, easy, and cheap. When you're knackered, kids have been at school, and you cannot be asked to prepare proper rice. These just tick the box. To marinate the chicken. And preheat the cooker. So just chicken seasoning, 8 to 9 pence paprika. And I can't stand feeling overwhelming on my hands. So I'll just pour all that in. Put 2 spoons. Mix it together. Don't even need to put salt on this because these are quite strong. Maybe just put like a bit more seasoning, chicken seasoning. Make it like it nice and tasty. So leave that to marinate for about 10 minutes before I do the onion and garlic. And don't forget to crush right there. Oh. Put some really well first and then open it. I've done that wrong way. That's because my dog won't stop talking. Shut up! Like that. Come down and then pull it open just like that, and then they go in for 2 of them 4 minutes. of the Mediterranean chicken. Now the salad. I've done about done a week's worth of teas anyway, put it that way. Voila! And of course wash the pots as you go, get all the mess around. Now the other rice is done for the kids. And just to finish off, while my dogs are being absolutely ballistic, voila! Nice full meal for 6.